This is the Indian Army's dire warning to Pakistan after the Delhi blast. Army Chief's picture abhi baki hai. Warning to Pakistan. Army Chief comes out to say Operation Sindoor is just a trailer. Picture baki hai. Warns if needed will teach Pakistan how to behave. Army Chief has also come out to say must be prepared for a long-term war. So these are very serious remarks coming to the forefront right now. Let's quickly listen in to what has been said by the Army Chief before we proceed.
1.0 तो देखिए, मैं तो ये कहना चाहूँगा कि मूवी शुरू भी नहीं हुई थी, सिर्फ एक ट्रेलर दिखाया गया था और ट्रेलर के बाद 88 घंटे में वो ट्रेलर ख़त्म हो गया था। तो आगे आने वाले हालात कैसे होंगे, ये इसके बारे में हम पूरी तैयारी करके बैठे हुए हैं और अगर कोई ऐसा हमें मौका देता है पाकिस्तान, तो हम उसको भरपूर एक शिक्षा प्रदान करना चाहेंगे उसको कि कैसे एक जिम्मेवार नेशन को अपने पड़ोसियों से बिहेव करना चाहिए। सबसे पहले चीज़ ये है कि जो डिसीजन मेकिंग है या जो आपने निर्णय लेना है उसके लिए समय बहुत कम है और निर्णय आपको हर लेवल पे लेना पड़ेगा। क्या आप यहाँ पे निर्णय लें और फिर नीचे पास करें, नहीं हो सकता। तो हर लेवल पे, हर स्तर पे लोगों को समय के हिसाब से तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी और एक्शन लेने पड़ेंगे, कार्रवाई करनी पड़ेगी। दूसरी चीज़ जो इंटीग्रेशन बोलते हैं, इंटीग्रेशन का ये मतलब है कि चाहे आर्मी, नेवी, एयरफोर्स, सीएपीएफ, साइबर, स्पेस कोई भी हो, उसका इंटीग्रेशन हम जितना जल्दी करेंगे उतना हम इस लड़ाई को बड़े साझे ढंग से लड़ सकेंगे, क्योंकि आज की लड़ाई जो है वो मल्टी डोमेन है।
Well, so this is the remark that we are in fact learning from the Army Chief, a strict warning to Pakistan right after, or rather in the aftermath of the Delhi 10/11 blast. He has to say that Operation Sindoor wasn't even the entirety of the picture, or even for that matter a part of the picture, but just the trailer. And if need be, India will teach Pakistan a lesson in how to behave. Now we have Shivani Sharma joining us on the broadcast to in fact put further context into these very remarks coming in. Shivani, a very good afternoon to you. A strict warning coming in from the Indian Army Chief at this given point, right in the aftermath of the Delhi blast.
Certainly, so the Chief of Army Staff has been saying and very much reiterating that the Operation Sindoor is going on and India is a responsible country and the armed forces are ready. And he also said that whatever happened during Operation Sindoor initial strikes during 2025 was just a trailer. So it is much more capable and an action can take place if India decides. The place will be of India's choosing. The point will be of India's choosing. But he also said that Indian armed forces are responsible forces. They will behave in a manner which is required. So we are capable, we are strong, and there is complete freedom from the government according to the needs of the situation.
Absolutely. Shivani, stay with us. Just to get that message loud and clear and to play it out for our viewers again, we'll listen into what was said by the Army Chief once more.
1.0 तो देखिए, मैं तो ये कहना चाहूँगा कि मूवी शुरू भी नहीं हुई थी, सिर्फ एक ट्रेलर दिखाया गया था और ट्रेलर के बाद 88 घंटे में वो ट्रेलर ख़त्म हो गया था। तो आगे आने वाले हालात कैसे होंगे, ये इसके बारे में हम पूरी तैयारी करके बैठे हुए हैं और अगर कोई ऐसा हमें मौका देता है पाकिस्तान, तो हम उसको भरपूर एक शिक्षा प्रदान करना चाहेंगे उसको कि कैसे एक जिम्मेवार नेशन को अपने पड़ोसियों से बिहेव करना चाहिए। सबसे पहले चीज़ ये है कि जो डिसीजन मेकिंग है या जो आपने निर्णय लेना है उसके लिए समय बहुत कम है और निर्णय आपको हर लेवल पे लेना पड़ेगा। क्या आप यहाँ पे निर्णय लें और फिर नीचे पास करें, नहीं हो सकता। तो हर लेवल पे, हर स्तर पे लोगों को समय के हिसाब से तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी और एक्शन लेने पड़ेंगे, कार्रवाई करनी पड़ेगी। दूसरी चीज़ जो इंटीग्रेशन बोलते हैं, इंटीग्रेशन का ये मतलब है कि चाहे आर्मी, नेवी, एयरफोर्स, सीएपीएफ, साइबर, स्पेस कोई भी हो, उसका इंटीग्रेशन हम जितना जल्दी करेंगे उतना हम इस लड़ाई को बड़े साझे ढंग से लड़ सकेंगे, क्योंकि आज की लड़ाई जो है वो मल्टी डोमेन।
Shivani, how are we looking at these remarks coming in the aftermath of the very blast? Because yes, it's a warning for sure, but if we see the timing of this warning coming in right after the blast, how would we look at it?
See, Shreya, we have been showing our viewers that how the Indian armed forces have been together conducting big exercises on the Western Front, the exercise Trishul, which we covered from ground. We know the preparedness, and it's all coming at a time when the investigative agencies, they are investigating what happened in the Delhi blast and also the white collar, the white coat terror module, right from Jammu and Kashmir to Delhi to multiple states. And in that regard, when the Chief of Army Staff is saying that what we did in Operation Sindoor, that was just a trailer, the picture had not yet started. So that means he's giving out a very strong and stern warning to Pakistan that we can teach a lesson to Pakistan that how a responsible country should behave. And we have been getting these statements not only from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who said that the perpetrators of the Delhi blast will be served with justice, but also from the Defence Minister, the chiefs of all the services. They have been saying that the operation still continues and we are much capable of what we did in just 88 hours. Pakistan had to bend down on its knees to ask for a ceasefire understanding. Now, once again, these terror plots are being unraveled by the investigative agencies. So we can see the clear warning, the signals that are coming in from the Chief of Army Staff.
Absolutely. These are warnings coming in from the Chief of Army Staff. And in fact, Shivani, when we speak of these very warnings, since day one, as you mentioned as well, Prime Minister has said that strictest of action shall be taken against those who were found as conspirators in the very Delhi blast. Now, there has been no such indication so far with regards to whether this might actually be a 2.0 of the operation. But if the need be, the country is ready for such actions and at such escalated levels.
The investigative agencies are clearly joining all the links, and there are clear evidences that this was a pattern which is followed by Jaish terrorists. And India, remember, always works on enough evidence. So Indian agencies are working out, they are investigating the complete issue, and there are certainly links of these terror plots that have been sponsored by Pakistan. And the Prime Minister has also made a big announcement right after the Delhi blast that the perpetrators will be served at the right time. And same we are listening and same statements we are getting from the Army Chief also. That means the Indian agencies are working. There's much investigation that goes in, and the right time will be decided by the forces. See, I have been talking to the experts in New Delhi also. They have been analyzing the whole situation and how it is developing each day. At the same time, we are also seeing the armed forces ready for action everywhere. We see from the borders to the forces procurement, they are ready for action. And as we have been saying that the Operation Sindoor continues and the strike against terror will continue. So we don't know what time this will happen, but certainly there are indications towards a very strong action against terrorism.
Absolutely. Strongly worded message from the Indian Army Chief at this given point as we hear.